Hello everybody, Great British Pub Classics, but from the frozen aisle guys. A pie, we're having a pie today. We're having a specially selected steak and ale pie from Aldi, £4.19p. There it is, 19p, I don't know why the 19p, why it's the 19p. Why not like the £3.99 or something, I don't know. To get more money out of you, I suppose. That's what I'm seeming to find lately. There's a lot of things are going up, but you know, it used to go up like 90, it used to be like 99p or something, so it's cheaper than the pound or whatever. Seems to be going up like 22p and 26p and all that stuff I'm finding now. So I think they're starting to, that's their new scam. I don't mean just Aldi, I think a lot of other places to make it seem a bit cheaper when really it's a bit more expensive. Anyway, we're going to open the pie guys, we're going to get it in the oven. I'm going to have it with some mashed potato. That's what I'm doing. So let's open it. So it says suitable for air fryer. I'm new. Specially selected, made with British beef, steak and ale pie. Tender slow cooked British beef with cracked black pepper and caramelised onion in a rich pale ale gravy. It's 603 calories for half of the old pack. So let's get it open guys. And I've been told off. All right, cocked up. There it is, there's the pie. It's looking quite nice actually. We have had one before. We had a steak one and it wasn't the best, to be honest with you. There wasn't a lot of flavour, so I'm hoping this steak and ale one is a lot better. But it looks nice so far. So I've got my oven warming up. I'm going to get it in the tray. I'm not going to put it in the oven, in the air fryer, because I think it'll probably take the same amount of time anyway. So let's get it in there and cook it up. Just having some mash with it, that's all. I'll probably do some homemade gravy. Yeah, I got scammed yesterday after I'd done the video yesterday, which I had to take down, which I'll explain to you in a minute. When I was editing that video yesterday, the steak for Nat, if you watched it, I think it's about 3,000 views. My name, my address was on one of the boxes. So I had to take it down. I doxed myself. So I've been told off by Nat and I've been told off by the lads. Nothing to hide really. It's just that this is our home, remember that. So if anyone thinks of doing anything or sending letters or anything like that, you just go in the bin. This is our home. Got to remember that. It's my own fault. But what it was when I was editing the video, I had a phone call off the bank saying I'd been hacked again. Because I got hacked a few months ago. And anyway, the bloke was talking to me in the bank and saying they tried to take all this money and all this stuff. And he turned around to me and says, if you go onto your app, make the payment, but the payment button is a cancel button, if you get what I mean. So he wanted me to go on and make payment, say payment, accept the payment, but it's really a cancel button. He was the hacker. He rang me on my mobile phone. So I called him a hacker and everything. I wish I'd recorded it really. Not in so many polite words. And then I tried to ring my bank. But as I rang my bank to try and get everything stopped again, he was on the other line. So what's it called, phasing or something, and obviously he was getting my signal somehow, I don't know how, these hackers, from my mobile to my bank. And so I tried to ring the bank and it was going through to like an international code, and it was taking ages to connect and all that. It was doing that. I'd done about 4 times. So what I'd done in the end, I tried to ring him off my other mobile, which is my streaming mobile. But and in the meantime, this hacker rang me back pretending he was the bank again. So then I was on the bank. Once I got through to the proper bank, I was on there for, must have been an hour and a half, trying to sort it out and got to get a new card and everything again now. I don't know what's going on. So after I'd done all that, I rushed through on the editing on the video. But that's why I've doxed myself. My own fault. Someone said in the comments, our lad said this morning, he says, about 5 o'clock, he says, Dad, you better take the video down. You doxed yourself. So I've been told off by Nat, I've been told off by the lads. So we just remember, guys, this is a family home. Nothing to hide, it's just that this is home, if you get what I mean. But I was just more concerned about my bank again than anything else. But hopefully that's all sorted now, just haven't got a bank card again until this one comes through again. I think personally it's something to do with my phone. So I've got myself another, well I've got 2 phones anyway, my streaming phone. So I'm cancelling my contract on the one phone and I'm using my other phone from now on. I'm not even going to bother using that. What was it like, Bab?
He's going to get a slap backside off me.
Ooh. I've already had one. I've had a towel it off. But yeah, so just remember guys, it is like a family home, if you get what I mean. Okay. There's the YouTube and there's the family, isn't there? What am I like? But what was it like? Yes, what was it like yesterday with that bank?
It was chaos yesterday. Yesterday.
After doing that dinner.
Everything just turned into chaos.
Everything went mental, didn't it?
Yeah.
Mental.
And
so
he was on the phone for about an hour and a half.
About an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Maybe a little bit more.
Yeah, but there we go, guys. Anyway, on to the pie. So just remember, family home, which I know a lot of you will anyway. It's just that you'll get the odd one, won't you? Okay, guys, the pie is done. Let's get it out. It's looking quite nice, actually, to be honest with you. There it is. Looking quite nice, ain't it, that? My potatoes are done. And there them frozen broccoli stems there, look them. Tender stems. The only problem with them, we've only got stalks because all the stuff's in the packet, look. That's the only problem with them frozen ones, isn't it? Okay, let's cut it open. And let's have a look. They are half a pie each. Then that and I. Get down that middle there. I haven't even been on my exercises today. I've been too busy worried about my bank. It's been an absolute nightmare. Well, a nightmare day. I really have. Because I've even got, you know, your code at the back of your card. I've even got that, guys. There it is. Let's get it on there, look. So I don't know how they've got that. There's the pie. We get a dollop of mashed potato on the side. And we'll get some broccoli stalks. I did put them broccoli stalks in some garlic butter, by the way. And we'll top it off with a little bit of gravy. It's only granules. I won't put any on my pie because I want to taste my pie first. So there we go. Great British classic. Pie. What was it? Steak and ale pie. What have I got a fork?
I gave you one. I don't know what you've done.
I haven't got a fork.
I did give you one. It's on the side. You took it over there.
Oh. What did I took it over there for?
Don't know. You're losing.
I don't know. I'll tell you. Losing the plot. So guys, there we go. It doesn't look half bad actually.
It smells nice.
All together. It's all about the pie, guys. It's all about the pie. You're having some of your pie. I mean, you're eating. You're the expert on the pastry, ain't you, Bab? So.
The pastry's really nice.
Pastry
crispy.
nice.
Nice and crispy.
Try the pie.
That's nice, you know.
Yeah. Let me have a crack then, guys.
You can taste the ale in it.
You can taste the ale?
Yeah.
Because I think the last time we had one was the steak. And it wasn't much flavour in it, I can remember it. It was quite bland.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, the taste is really nice and
Let's
crispy.
I'm going to open it up actually and show you what's inside.
Can you smell it there?
I can smell it. There it is, guys, so you can see.
It's really nice.
Don't mess with it too much because I am going to eat it for my dinner.
Really nice taste, actually.
So yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been on for a few days. I've got loads of stuff to do in the fridge. I'm going to have to do 2 a day. Things to do in that. And yesterday, I was supposed to have done a video yesterday after Nats, and then what happened with the bank, it all went pear-shaped. Oh, so that's in the fridge and all. I've got loads of stuff in the fridge to do for the next couple of days. It'll be 2 videos a day. I ain't even been on my exercises.
You only missed today.
I've only missed today. My first day I've missed. Right, let's have a go with this pie.
I like that.
That's all right, honey, isn't it? Mm. That is all right.
It's got some right nice flavour.
Mm.
And the gravy's nice and rich.
Yes, it is.
You get a fair amount.
It's got a nice
of
little ale flavour, hasn't it?
The filling's pretty
I
decent.
presume it's fake ale.
Yeah.
It must be proper ale, would it?
I don't know.
No. And what I've done with Aldi as well, they took all the ingredients offline, you know. All the ingredients on Aldi's website, if you have a look, there ain't no ingredients anymore.
Isn't there?
No. And I think they've done that for a reason, because the quality's got worse. I really do. Some people were complaining to them. I've seen it online.
No.
And I'm saying, oh, we've done it so it gives your shopping experience a better thing. But it doesn't, does it? What we got? Beef 30%, beef water maize, salt, lemon juice, wheat flour, corn, iron, barley, hops, yeast, caramelised onions, dark brown sugar. Struggling to read this. Anyway, it's nice though, guys, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah.
I like it all day. I like the paste.
That's what it's all about on the channel. It's all in the taste. 600 calories for just half that pie, though. I have to double exercise tomorrow. Double exercise.
That's nice.
I do like that.
Yeah, I like it as well.
So guys, there we go. It's new. Now, the other thing with Aldi is they say they're new sometimes, and they just bring them out every year, don't they? I know I've had the steak one. I don't think I've had that one before. But yeah, £4.19p for two here. It's just £2.10p a slice, isn't it? For a pie, for half a pie. You know, it ain't bad with a bit of mash, is it?
No, not really.
Mash was, I mean, 60p for a mash, for a spud. You know what I mean? Bit of veg. You know, so for what? £2.10 a slice. 30p a spud. A bit, and a bit of veg. You know what I mean? You're laughing at you and a bit of gravy.
Got dinner.
Right, yeah. Put two here. So guys, there we go. Thank you for watching. You will be getting a couple of videos a day. I might do a couple tomorrow and then upload them for Saturday. It's hard to upload them at the same day.
It's just yesterday. It's throwing you off sync, I
It's
think.
done me completely.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching, guys. Until the next time, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.